Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. So today we're doing an overhead video. Like you can see, I wasn't planning on filming today, but then I just got this box at my door and I don't want to wait, and I also don't want to film myself. I just want to get right into it, and plus you can see what's in here closer, I guess, this way. It's a card deck club by Hay House. This is their seasonal, wait, is it seasonal? Yeah, it's seasonal. It's their seasonal card deck subscription. So you get 3 decks every season. It is so worth it. Their new releases, so good. I love Hay House. I love their books. I love their decks. I love everything about it. And I know I'm so excited to see this one. There's like an angel theme, it seems, and I really love angels, working with angels, all of that. So yeah, we're gonna go through this together. I will do full deck flip throughs on my tarot channel this week for sure. Maybe one tonight at the same time this is posting, but if not, definitely this week, excuse me. But we'll go through some of the cards today. My tarot channel is Kitty Rising. It's at Kitty Rising Tarot here on YouTube. I will link it in the description. I believe I always do if you haven't subscribed there or checked it out. So let's see what we've got here. This card was on top. I opened it up because my address and everything was on the top of the box. Oops, sneak peek. Look how beautiful this art is on here. To be whole in your life's journey, it is important to have deep roots and high branches. By the way, Card Deck Club, I will link them down below. By the time I get the box and post it, it's usually officially closed. So this is the winter box, but you can get on the wait list for the spring box. And it comes out to be around $40, maybe a little bit less. It's like 30 something and then shipping. And this is one I pay for myself. But it's totally worth it because you get like pretty much one deck free. We'll see what the pricing is on the back of here. It'll talk about it. So a note from the editors. As winter approaches, prepare for a season of introspection and renewal with Oracle cards. Inside, you'll find 2 brand new releases and 1 beloved deck now designed to slip snugly in your pocket. A combined value of $60. So yeah, you save $20, which is like an entire deck. They don't have the pricing on here. I will link each of the decks down below as well in case you're just interested in one of them and want to get one yourself. So even the one that's been out for a while, it's a new release because it's now pocket sized. So I'm really pumped about this. I'll leave this to the side and we'll reference this as we go along. And we're going to start with this first deck right on top, Angels and Auras Oracle, a 44-card deck and guidebook by Radley Valentine and Douglas Frazier, illustrations by Brooke Stefanelli. I don't have anything by Radley Valentine. I've heard the name, of course, but I was at a Hay House conference or webinar, or something, whatever you call it, and he was a speaker, and I fell in love with him, and I'm like, I need his decks. I need something, and now I have one, and I'm so excited. I just moisturized my hands. Hopefully I can get this plastic off. Oh, the scissors are right there if I need it. Oh, and Emmy's right there. She has a new habit or like love of rubbing up against the lights when I film like my tarot videos like this and on my tarot table. So if the lighting changes, it's just my cute little calico baby, Emmy. Hi, Emmy. You hear this plastic noise? You like that? So that wasn't too hard. So let's read the back here. Did you know that archangels and humans have one extraordinary similarity? They both radiate color and energy. Receive divine guidance, decode auras, and weave healing color energy into your spiritual practice with this powerful and playful oracle deck from best-selling authors and dear friends Radley Valentine and Douglas Frazier. These cards provide a new crystal clear awareness that angels are not only with us, but also regularly speaking to us through the language of color. Learn how to connect with the divine and tap into the wisdom of angels and auras. Bring magical vibrancies to your spiritual practice and infuse some much-needed color back into your life. So this is $21.99, so you pretty much get this deck for free. $28.99 Canadian. It's in a 2-piece box. I'm so excited. Oh, and it says here, may the angels fill your life with color and magic. I love that. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So full guidebook here. There are the deck authors. And oh yeah, look at all these decks by Radley. And here's our contents. Greetings, introduction. It talks with the archangels and guardian angels, and then by Radley, and then Douglas goes into the auras and colors. Awesome! I am so excited. Looks like we have some spreads in here as well. I saw one somewhere. Amazing. And this one came out in October. Here are the backs. Beautiful. So if you do read reversals, you can with this. Oh yeah, how cute. Chamuel, light green. So it has the archangel name and then the aura color here. And then, yeah, look, there are, oh, cool. There are upright meanings in reverse. I remember Radley showed this at it wasn't out yet, he said. Now, okay, now it's all coming back to me. There are reverse meanings written on here as well. So with this card, happiness, vibrancy, energy, and hope are the upright meanings. And then reverse, anxiety, burdened, restless, and despair. I believe this is the first deck by Radley where he did reversals. So I'm not going to go through all of them. Let's look at a few. So divine self, orange. Intuition, balance, connection, spirit, or in reverse, indecisive, uneven, scattered, ego. Open your heart to love. Card number 27. Oh, I love this. Soul groups. Everything's okay, 444, big news. I like these a lot. Oh my god, you can pick up on other things from the images. I love how bright and colorful they are. I really enjoy that they have reverse meanings. And this is nice for people who don't read intuitively or are just getting started with oracle cards. So be the real you, a card, the number, and then 2 meanings here. And look, I love how she's unzipping out of like the suit. That's amazing. Angels are watching over you. Uriel, red. Yes, it looks like the beginning are the auras. I'm so excited about this, you guys. So I'll go through each and every one and then do a collective reading like I love to do on Kitty Rising. So yeah, if you guys are into this stuff, please check out my tarot channel. I'm really trying to grow that. It is my passion. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you just for being here too. I am truly so grateful for you guys. I hope you know that. I love you so much. But I'm really excited about the next deck too. This is by Kyle Gray. I have a deck by Kyle Gray. I love the Angel, what's it called? I'm looking up right now the Angel Guide Oracle. And this is the Divine Masters Oracle by Kyle Gray. Artwork by Jennifer Hawkyard. Did Jennifer do the last one? I'm not sure. Looks like I'm looking up, I can't see the artist on the other deck, but it looks the same. 44 card deck and guidebook. Let me get the plastic covering up. So this one came out, it just came out in November. We're in the very, very beginning of December right now when I'm filming this. Okay, let's see. All right, how fun is that? The Divine Masters Oracle is a gathering of sages, saints, and angels who have been offering the world wisdom, emotional intelligence, and spiritual guidance for millennia. This 44-card deck works as a bridge between the realms, allowing you to connect with the Divine Masters so you can harness the infinite power of heaven and live in a spiritually aligned life. This is $19.99 US, $25.99 Canadian. 2-piece box, which is beautiful. Divine Masters within, the voice of my inner teacher, I call on you now. Awaken and activate. I am willing to remember you, and so it is. Nice, you can say that before you draw a card if you choose. Oh, there's a different one on the back, okay. Divine Masters, keepers of ancient wisdom, I call on you now. Thank you for revealing to me what I need to know. I am willing to listen, and so it is. Ooh, I like that. And the back of the cards are beautiful. Full guidebook again. So we have pictures, black and white, of the cards in here. Talks about relationship with your deck, some spreads, nice. Very pretty. I love that orange. Okay, let's look at a few. Commander Ashtar, leadership activation. Time to evolve. Trust in your ability to guide others. Ooh, I like that. So we have like the main keywords and then some phrases here along with the person, the Divine Master, Commander Ashtar. Hanuman, devoted warrior. Let God's love hold you in strength. I don't know why I stumbled over that. Melchizedek. Sorry. I'll have to look up these names when I'm using the deck. Divine knowledge. I feel like I've seen this before. Melchizedek. Divine knowledge. Higher learning. Commit to your vision through study. Lady Nada, expanded heart, openness, liberation, let yourself love and be loved. Ooh, I feel like I'm going to find so many of these new Divine Masters. You know, I've been seeing the number 33 a lot the last few days. Maybe it's a calling to look into Divine Masters, Master Teachers, Serapis Bay, Paradigm Shift, Activation to grow, make the necessary change. Lady Venus, Light Activation, Call to Action, Power Surge, Earth Mission. Ooh, I'm super excited about this. Kuthumi, Initiate experience. Your current situation is initiating your gifts. Jesus, acts of service. When you serve, the universe serves you. I love how it's an more accurate representation of Jesus too. Horus, manifestation vortex. Belief makes manifest through thoughts attract and create. Oh, sorry. I'm like in the zone. I'm like, I want to get into this. I'm so excited. So again, I will go through all of these cards one by one and then do a collective reading on my other channel. So exciting. I love this stuff so much. Yay. And last but not least, I love a tin. Okay, we're gonna move this box now. The Mystical Shaman Pocket Oracle. So this has been around, but the pocket size came out in October. It looks like it's like square, because here, let me see, do I have one nearby? Like here's another pocket size. This is more like a square shape. I'm excited. Oops. I don't know if you can see. Okay, let's get this plastic off. And this one is 64 cards by Alberto Violdo, Colette Baron Reed, and Marcella Lobos. Art by Jenna Della Grataglia. I'm sorry if I ever mispronounce things again. Legends say that before there was time, before there was language, that there were sacred symbols. The medicine wheel, the curse, the eagle, the jaguar, and others spoke to us intimately. The sacred symbols continue to offer hope and inspire creation through the Mystical Shaman Pocket Oracle. When you consult the oracle, you summon power and insight that can help you understand the present, heal the past, and influence the course of your future. Ooh! I'm excited about this. Does it say the pricing or anything? I don't think so. So we still have this full guidebook here. Something about this size is so cute. It's like a mini little book. Well, I mean, it literally is. So you get like 2 pages. Okay, so it gives you like the essence, the invitation, the medicine. Ooh, I'm so excited. I feel like I've seen people use this on YouTube and readings. I even recognize the back a little bit. Beautiful. Ooh. Yes, I've definitely seen this before. So, card number 1, the ancient ones. The Andean Cross. Ooh, I'm going to learn more. I love getting new decks, especially Oracle decks. I love Tarot, of course, but Oracle decks, I feel like I like learn something new. You know, like last card deck club, I got the Tree of Life Oracle, and I got, you know, to deep dive into that a little bit. The Hummingbird. So yeah, this one, it doesn't have, it just says like the title of the card. It doesn't have like keywords or phrases, but that's okay. How beautiful. So you can look in the book and see what it says, or you can read intuitively. The Moon. Yeah, look at the cycles. You can get a lot of, and there's numbers on here. The Smoky Mirror. Look how beautiful this art is. Oh my God. Water. The Staff. The Seer. The Council. The Curse, the Flow. Oh my God, I'm so excited to read with this, you guys. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited about all of these. Oh my gosh, so good. I just really like how this looks. I like pocket-sized decks. In the last tarot video I posted, I used only pocket size. I love it. I'm so excited about all of these, you guys. What do you think? What one are you the most excited about? I will link them all below. I love this subscription. If you guys love Oracle decks, especially like Hay House one, I definitely recommend subscribing to this if you guys are, you know, in the market for new decks, if you're into this, or even if you're just getting started with, you know, reading Oracle and tarot and stuff. Like we occasionally get a tarot deck. We did get the pocket size of the Light Seers Tarot, which I use all the time. I love using that for Celtic Cross. We got that last season. I feel like that just happened. And it's so cool. They also provide like webinars with the creators. So I went on a Zoom call with Chris Ann, the creator of Light Seers Pocket Tarot, and she like went over how she came up with it. And it was just in like a lot of meditation. It was super cool. I haven't made all of them, but you can watch the replays if you want. So yeah, you get like access to like webinars and stuff. So it's like you get the decks for a discount. Like, you know, you save $20 or something like that. But then you also get access to these creator webinars. I think there's one with Kyle Gray on December 5th. I was worried I wouldn't get my deck in time, but I'm like, it'll be okay if I don't, you know? But then it came early. It was scheduled to come on December 7th. I'm filming this on December 4th, so I'm super grateful. I'm totally going to attend that. I've seen Kyle Gray's talk before too, and I think he's great. So I'm super pumped about it. Yay. So if you guys are going to be there, say hi to me in the Zoom call. Let me know down below. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you are well. Again, my other channel will be linked down below. You can look it up at Kitty Rising Tarot. Yeah, can't wait to hear what you guys think. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. And I felt like I was closing out my tarot video because I'm sitting down like this at my tarot table. I might as well say it anyways. If you guys would like to book a private reading with me, a tarot reading, I am available. You can email me through the remainder of 2023. My readings are only $30 and I'll go up. Just so you guys know. But I'm truly so grateful you're here. I love you so much. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.